Hello, I'm Justin Harwell of the GIS Department of the Texarkana Water Utilities, and today I'm going to show you how to go over the hydrant repair map that's going to be designed so that after we get through with the hydrant inspection process, we can go back and repair it and then log this correctly. So once you have completed the repair, go into your field maps, click on Sign In with ArcGIS Online. If you have issues with your login, please contact me at 903-799-0172. Once again, my name is Justin Harwell, and my phone number is 903-799-0172. Okay, now we're going to look for something that says Hydrant Repair Map of Arkansas. The map should load about where you're standing. Make sure to zoom in so you collect from the right hydrant. Now we're going to click on the little chain links, or if you're using an iPad, it should say the hydrant inspection. We're going to click Add. Now we're going to put your name. Change it to today's date. And down here where it says maintenance required, you're going to go ahead and say no. And then you click the check mark or the submit button on the iPad. And you're done. That's simple. If you have any issues, please feel free to give us a call at 903-799-0172. Thank you.